I can't stop. I won't stop. I don't know how to stop. What is up, YouTube? You see, I got the same shirt on. I'm tired, y'all. Been making all these videos for the 17 Pro Max. Okay, so we already did the unboxing at this point. We done the first impressions, the look around. We did a few cases. We even did a screen protector install. All those videos I'm gonna link up, I don't know, somewhere along the lines here. But without further ado, it's time to switch gears just a little bit. Okay, so let's see what I got. Okay, y'all follow me. I don't know, what could it be? Box this size. We got something new. It's something Apple. So let's dig into it. Samurai sword, come in. Wha-cha. Nice and easy. I think this had a pull tab, but that's okay. We're gonna use the samurai sword anyways. Alrighty, we use the right way to open it. Pull tabs right there. Pop this open. And I gotta hold this in carefully. Let's see what we got. Ooh, what does that say? Huh? What is this? That is a symbol that says Apple Watch. And this is in a really nice colored case. Whoa. Okay, this has actually got me impressed. Okay, so we got our new Apple Watch. Which one is it? Well, if you can't tell by this kind of case, this is going to be the Apple Watch Ultra. Bring in our nice little area right here, so that way we can make sure we're keeping our devices nice and clean and purty for as long as we can. All right, on the back here, we have the pièce de résistance, the watch, Kino. Okay, let's go ahead and, I never know how to do this one. Okay, there we go. I was scared I was gonna rip it. Okay, so we're gonna pull tab on either side to open it up. Nice and simplistic like. Just kidding, I'm struggling. Help, somebody send help. Okay, okay, there we go. That was easy. I didn't struggle at all. What are you talking about? That was like nothing. All right, go ahead and open it up. So I gotta be careful. Let's pull all this stuff out. Let's take a look. Okay, so on the inside, this is what you're gonna get, the Apple Watch Ultra. Pretty freaking bad ass inside of the case. Really cool mountain landscape. What do we get inside of here with our watch? Okay, I think I'll open this up backwards, but let's take a look. We've got, of course, the little Apple handbook. Walks you through how to set this up. Functions, features, and charging of the case, the depth gauge. Actually, I didn't even know this. I've had an Apple Watch since the first Ultra, and I didn't know this. That depth gauge and altimeter is going to be on the side next to the crown. So I've got Gen 1 Apple Watch Ultra, and that's what this little hole is. I don't know if you guys can see right here in the camera, a little hole right there. Right there, next to that crown. That's what the manual says. I didn't know that. Cool, learned something new. Siren's got it on there. It's got precision dual GPS, 3 microphone array. So I don't know if my first gen Apple Watch Ultra has this feature, the dual frequency GPS. I think it does, but anyways, it's something you get with the upgrade. Here's going to be the watch itself, and then here's the band. Okay, so the band, watch, band, watch. Like I was saying, let's go ahead and flip it over. Get these satisfactory pull tabs going. So satisfying. Let's bring it to the microphone so you guys can hear it. Pretty satisfactory. So I have not seen the black Apple Watch Ultra in person. So this is gonna be my first impression. You guys are gonna see what I think about it myself. Okay, I've just got the one that came in natural titanium. Let's take a look. On the inside, what do you get with this Mama Jamma? You know the usual. You're gonna get the high speed, I think this is like the high speed charging cable with your watch. I would sure hope so. For $800, you're getting at least a high speed charging cable for your watch. Then, of course, you're going to get the watch itself. So again, natural titanium was what I'm rocking right now. This, in all of its glory, let's go ahead and open it up carefully, carefully. This is going to be the Apple Watch Ultra 3. So I'm going from the Apple Watch Ultra 1 to the Apple Watch Ultra 3. And this is going to be in that new color. I think this is called Black Titanium. And this thing looks absolutely sharp. Very nice. Okay. So we got the natural titanium black Apple Watch Ultra Volume 3. But what kind of band did I get to go with it? That may be asking yourself. Well, pray tell.
Hey guys, what's up, Al? It's Bobby over here, and another audio is going to be a little bit different because I'm not using the mic, but I did want to just let y'all know something. I'm over here right now working on this video, editing it down for y'all, and I just saw some crazy stats on YouTube. 90% of y'all are watching this without subscribing. What's up with that? It doesn't cost you a single dime to hit subscribe, to like, and comment on this video, but it helps me out a ton. I'm at 300 subscribers right now. I want to hit 500 and 1,000. I can't do it without you. Let's do it, y'all. Hit that comment, hit that subscribe, hit that like button. Okay, enough now. Back to the video.
I went with the blue band because I think blue and black really contrast very well. So let's go ahead and pull tab that. Okay, flip this open. It comes in a nice little envelope. Oh, mercy, mercy me. That's very nice of them. Inside of it, it's got some steps to how to attach it. And, you know, like a usual federal blah, 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 blah regulations and all that jazz. Let's go ahead and put that to the side. Let's put this on, and then we're going to do a try on and do a little bit of a comparison. We're already at 7 minutes on the video, so let's go ahead and pull this out. So satisfying to pull that out. Pause. Get that trash to the side. Let's go ahead and bring our band over. So this should be the top. So let's go ahead and bring our band. So there's a little tab right here in the middle that you want to kind of push down to help the band slide into place. You'll hear a little satisfying click. And we're gonna, again, on the bottom, so I'm gonna zoom in so you guys can see that little tab right there in the middle. You're gonna wanna kind of try to depress that with your fingernail as you're sliding your band in, just to help it seat in there a-okay without any issues. Voila! There we go. Band on, black and blue. Very nice contrast. Let's do the try on, okay? So I'm gonna set this down for a second so you guys can see. That's that black and blue. Here's our classic Apple Watch Ultra Volume 1. Let's go ahead and try on this Volume 3 and see how it looks. This on right here. I went with this band this year just to try it out, just to see how it feels. And it's actually really comfortable. Feels nice on the skin. I'm not really sure how it'll hold up to sweating or anything like that. All right, we had to do a little wipe off real quick. Let me see here. I forget which one of these buttons actually turns on the watch. There it is. So we're going to get our first power up for our Apple Watch Ultra 3. While we're doing that, let's go ahead and bring in our comparison. So as far as I know with the specifications, again, this is going to be the Gen 1 Apple Watch Ultra compared with the Gen 3. So what you're supposed to get out of this Gen 3, because that's what you're probably curious about. What's the differences? Should I get it? So with the Gen 3 versus the Gen 1, first and foremost, you're supposed to get a larger screen, but same size watch. So the watches are the exact same. They just kind of shrunk the bezel so you could get more screen with it. Brighter. Let me see here. And to be honest, they weigh about the same. So weigh about the same. The fit is about the same from Gen 1 to Gen 3. It's a new color. It's supposed to be a lot smoother. And it comes with a new watch OS on it already, even though you can update your Ultra to that eventually. So again, the size is going to be the same on those. You can see the color's a little bit different. I will tell you right now, the only thing I'm probably worried about right now is just seeing how well this titanium Holds up, this black titanium holds up to like smudges and stuff. Because I'm a little bit OCD about that. What am I doing? Why did I get the black color? Sure, it's got natural titanium again. Because I wanted something different. I don't know. So there's a comparison, side by side, so you can see right there. Pretty sharp, okay? All in all, folks, do I think it's worth the upgrade? I do. Because again, I'm jumping 2 generations. So I'm going from the Apple Watch Ultra 1 to the Ultra 3. So in my humble opinions, I'm getting a new color, I'm getting an updated watch, larger screen, brighter screen, just to name a few things. So if you're interested in getting this new Apple Watch Ultra Volume 3, I will link it in the chat. You guys can check it out. Again, I'll just give you a quick comparison between the two, just to kind of see the differences. Not really much visibly different. Internally, we got some differences. And I told you, right? I showed you guys that we do have a larger screen on this one, so shrunken bezels. So if you're interested in getting it, you know what to do. Go to the comments, use that link, buy it, help a brother out, no additional cost to you. It's your boy Bobby G. Thank you guys for checking out this unboxing and first look at the new Apple Watch Ultra 3 in that black titanium. Oh, beautiful. I'm out. Peace.